The question is opposite attract. So the question says you are given a binary string S of length n. Your task is to generate a new binary string T of the same length such that each corresponding character of T is different from the character at the same position S. And in other words, for each position I, uh, the following condition must hold. Ti should not be equal to S of I. So the question says if we are given a string S, for example 1, 1, 0, we have to print its negation, which is 0, 0, 1. So we will check each character in S. If it is 0, then we will append 1 in the result string T. If it is 1, then we will append 0. So here is the answer. So we will take input string S and create T, which is the result string, and we'll check for each character from S. If it is 1, then we will append 0, else we will append 1 in T.